Ready to transform your Odoo website from basic to branded in under 2 minutes. First, log into your Odoo instance and navigate to the website module. You'll usually find it in the main dashboard. If you don't see it, make sure it's installed from the apps module. Once you're in the website module, look for the configuration menu. Underneath that you will find settings. Click on settings. Scroll down the settings page until you see the logo section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the current logo or the upload button. A file selection window will pop up. Now choose your logo file from your computer. Make sure it's a high-resolution image in a common format like PNG or JPG. Once the logo is uploaded, you can adjust its dimensions. Odoo lets you customize the width and height to make sure it fits perfectly within your website's header. Experiment with different sizes to see what looks best. A good starting point is between 100 and 200 pixels wide. While Odoo doesn't directly offer granular logo placement control in this area, your website's theme usually handles this. Your logo placement can be modified by customizing the theme. After making your adjustments, don't forget to click Save at the top of the settings page. Then, refresh your website to see your new, professionally branded header in action. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've added your logo to your Odoo website, boosting your brand visibility and giving your site a polished, professional look.